What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Sandy. We're there with the next update from another girl Lyric. My sister only like the video, so I keep on updated with it. So before we get into it, I want to subscribe to our channel, you see me? Because we are trying to build the thing, we are trying to get it up. Them want to subscribe. So respect. Remember, like, share, turn on the bell, follow up on Instagram, all of that. Link in the description for merch. Big up on yourself.
Moving along. You know what? I'm gonna stop come up. I'm gonna give me beer arts and I hype me up. I don't like it, no. When I hype me up, stop it, hype me up. I don't like that button when I hype me up. Don't rat. I'm not always happy, but when I'm happy, people around me are happy. When I'm sad, people around me are sad. So for some people, they affect. They change their environment. And I notice it in most creatives because as a creative, we tap into a part of like our humanness or humanity or whatever that like regular people can't tap into. That's why we write and it is felt, we sing and it is felt, we dance and it is felt. There's something spiritual that we access that nobody else has access to, so it's the truth. So as a creative, I find that we tend to affect our environment where we are. Is it me? No, message you could tell about your mother, no, do it. Because no, sir, if I don't feel good, man, now, because if your mood on, my mood on, it's just how it is. And it's a blessing and a curse because in some situations, you guys, when I go to if I'm not having a good day, I have to put my face on and just go. I have to dig deep, find it somewhere and get the job done. Especially when my job is this, social media. Dog, I sell TLC and my part of reach and stop hype. I sell TLC, I sell weight loss products. I know for sure that this shit works. I am guaranteeing that it works. I also know for sure that keto works. I'm guaranteeing that keto works. By the way, shout out to my keto coach, my keto Chef Rowena Renee. Yes, baby. Oh, you look sexy, baby. Yeah, much positive. I'm positive OMAD works. I'm positive intermittent fasting works. This is everything that I've been doing. I'm positive that going to the hill alone can make me lose weight. I'm positive that going to the gym alone can make me lose weight. I'm positive that combining them makes me lose weight, build muscle. You guys have seen me lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight, lose weight, gain weight. And I'd love to stand up and train me, but I can't. I look sloppy right now. But you can see like my belly. You can see my belly. Look. Like dog, you can see my belly. Look at my tummy. I'm going to say by next week Friday, I'm going to come back on the blood cleanser with that same outfit here. You can't chat to me. But come here till I say 1 week, 1 blood cleanser, 80s a day. That's exactly what I'm going to go to because I have deep. So in some way, I realize you're not even finished my comment where say, if you say, Patricia, I got your girl, it's a present. I never heard that comment. I don't know what she's saying. I'm sorry. Yeah, so it's like, I think deep. So in some instances, I'm like, I'm not taking care of myself. Why am I not taking care of myself? Bruh, I'm usually on my TLC products like this. Why the hell must I stop? Bro, I've been going to the gym since I've known this. I've never stopped the gym. If nothing else in my life was consistent, the gym was. I'm like, why? It's deep, you know, and I don't want to get into it, but this shit is deep for me. It's not, nothing just happens, you see me? Nothing just happens. Nothing just happens. You see me? Yeah, so for these, I know I'm going to do 3. If I want to go me, I might grippable 2 years. So I feel like as my final things, I tell you, we're grippable and no, so when I'm not so yeah, when I'm not so, but we're grippable too. Okay, no flat belly. No flat body girl can't follow me. I'm sorry. If your bottom flat, unfollow me. I don't want to discriminate, but me have a thing I work with. Me have a code. I will do a jacket soon. And I'm something I sell the merch. And I don't want to lie. I don't want to wear a shirt with a big body girl. And it's not true. Then I go ask where you get it. I go tell them so. I feel like a merch website. Don't call my blood cleanse me, you know. Your bottom now represent the brand. Yeah, it's a brand. Alright then, Julie. Sorry, baby. Bottom must be flat. Listen, God love you, you know. Come here, Julie, come here. God love you, you know, baby. Him love you. And him love your flat bottom. God say, yeah. Egg more fair pan. My friend Julie, flat bottom, like flying pan. Flat. flat like Bammy. Yeah, baby. Love a flat bottom, but you can't really can't. Have a code. Or have a brand. Remember, say we, but then suppose you know, and then but you know, just buy the Ants Army t-shirt, nobody buy the Big Body t-shirt. It's not gonna make sense. Not gonna sense. Anyway, so this is how I take my stuff in. This is how I am, you know. Sometimes I wonder like if something do me like why can't I just stay focused? But anyway, I like that about me. I like that I can make people laugh, you know. Because you guys are here, you guys just want to laugh. And I'm willing to be the dumbass so that you guys can laugh, you see me? So, after I come back from the gym now, before, like if I start feel like I'm hungry, always, this go first. Priority. And by the way, it's not a scam, man, Jesus Christ. Put someone in his savings, baby. Because him not gonna last, because we not keep him though. Put someone in his savings, baby. And that me need to put up on a t-shirt. Guys, you can't be a part of the brand or Ants Army brand and you're just a scam reckless, so just nana care in the world. And you scam my money done same time. Baby, put up something, at least put up a grand. Something more. Cause we not keep him on the truth. Don't know where I keep. I don't want to require much of. Yeah, I don't require much. Don't keepable. Cause we're independent. We've been connected by ourselves. Just look at assistance. If you want assist me, sir, I have it myself. Cause my back available. It's available. I can have it. Why am I do this? Why am I do that? Like me just like my purse wanna it change. Why am I do that? I like that. But yeah, this want your mother. So yeah, I'm gonna read it for now. Me? And yeah, give me. People say, oh, me use my hand. Me use it so. Oh, me use my fingernails so. Kyra teacher that today, by the way. She said, me can't snap, but me can do this. Me can't say money. That shit was so funny. Me see you, girl. Oh, you wipe your bottom. Oh, you cook. Or put your makeup. Oh, you wash your vagina. Any other question? See, me do it again. The thing, I did it again. Wow. Read the back of what? Read over the back. All right, Shani, nappy. So look at remember, say what I hold by any windows I fling up, you know. Me say fling up, and my mind just gone again. I mean, I like that. Me can't have a regular thought. Me can't think like a regular smarty. Why? Ants Army Academy. Me can't say Ants Army Academy. What AA mean? AA when you're alcoholic, right? Alcoholics Anonymous. Don't wash. Yeah, you don't wash your hand, miss. Yeah, I'm keeping it like away from everything. Ants Army Academy. Maybe we can find an acronym for Ants, ANTS. We can find an acronym for Ants, you guys. Let's do it. What's Shani she there? What she there? She come on. But come in here. We're not talking and Shani doing at the class. What that say? What me tell you now? Darren, I love you, Darren. Lord God, I'm go wash my hand now. And me can't show you because my sister have a not name clothes. Like I do this up here, so may I catch in the desk, make I wash it. But my hand, wait. Hold on. Alright, see there? See them, I'm gonna wash my hand. Near the pipe. Jesus Christ. Hey, what me know? Me can't catch corona, you know, you must have mad. They remember wash your hand. Remember wash your hand. Ear it there. My hand wash. I lock my window. See it there. Jesus. My arm is sweat. But I'm not there, so I'm not smelling. I'm not put on the door around. Mind the foot in the phone and drop. Shani there. So Shani there. Shani gone. Wait a sec. KISSING. And that Shani Orlando. Me I watch her now. I love you, Darren. I'm watching her. I'm watching her. But yeah, that's everything for TLC, you guys. I take and how I take them. See? That's everything. Hope that's everything. I've covered everything. The link is in my bio. Please use the link in my bio, you guys. My merch store is there. I really want a lot of support on the merch store and obviously support on TLC as well. TLC is my main source of income, my hella main source of income. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start doing. See, but coming about my products, I couldn't make the videos every day. I mean, like I normally do. Well, I'm done. She there. Oh, the boys are with their daddy. Not Opal, humble Kim. Oral. Kim, you just reach. Kim, why here, man? Kim, one man I keep it out the door. Finally catch a live. Hey, Tika. The boys are with their daddy also this already. Well, London, she there. Lyric. Anything I talk about more. Listen, so come. Boy. Well, Shani, she there. On our catch, Shani gone after the live. Shani gone. Oral missing. Oh, that's it to you. Secret number. Cause any man in all have more than one girl. That's what we have. But why all have faggy bun? I don't like oral, you know, and I'm a student, but I see it pan him. Granted, I know what him look like, but I see it pan him. He look like a bunist. Why oral? I chat rotted much. I know I bail until the girl then, bail her all till the girl then. I like that. Blood cleanse. Did I put my... Oh, I didn't. Oh, God. Thank God I didn't. I almost like this on the counter. And I can't sing. Danielle. Baby two come 9 months from... 9 months under you. God forgive me. I'm just winning. I love Jamaica. I'm just tell about your mother. Jesus. Why am I still so? I have no cap, you know? Me have no... Me have no boundary, me have no barrier. As you come in my mind, I have to say it. Like the girl that asked me, oh, Miss Minutes, I say with your tongue. I don't know where it's supposed to say, because your tongue I move, adapt me for use. Because I'm more clearly always open. Where's me for use? I'm not like what I say. I'm not think things through. And that's why I've never gotten into a fight. Just 2 fights. My mother and you guys know the other one. I'm afraid because these days, you know, people now already and I get blood cleanse. Look at my proud, my belly looks so. So when I come back on this next week, blood cleanse Friday, and my belly said so. Who can't tell me son a TLC? You can't tell me that. I believe in a TLC for both like my financial gain and also for the goodness of the products. My youth, people making hella money. Hella money, bro. Hella money, bro. Just I'm drop off a farm, but dog, I swear I'm coming right back. I come back and surpass. I'm going to make every single week. I'm going to put forward to make more money than every week. I'm going to say, this is the week I make the most money I've ever made in TLC. That's the energy I'm going to give off. That's the vibe I'm going to give off. You know? And just to remind myself, like, Simone, dog, you drop, but you can get up back in a drop and dead, dog. Just do your thing. You see me? So, yeah. And as I have my stuff, I can take them every day on camera with you guys. You guys can be a part of my journey again. And that, to me, is such a relief. That's such a relief. I told you guys, I didn't tell you guys this. I became unbinary, you know, you guys? Lost a shit ton of money. Because when you're binary, you make a certain amount of money when you're binary. That's just one money. Then you make the money when people use a link. Then you make money when you purchase in your back office and you can rank up as well. You make money from that and you rank up and then you send the products out here in Jamaica or wherever you are. That's money again. There's so many ways to make money with TLC, which is why I'm wondering why y'all sleeping. I get it. It's COVID. We don't have enough money. And yeah, I get it. Okay, I get that. But if you can afford to, then do it. If you can afford to try it, if you can afford to try, then try. If you can afford to, then just try. You know, can use my link. I'm not sending to nobody else but me. Use my link. 300 adding. If each one buy one product from me, blood cleanse. If each one buy one NutriBurst from me in support of, I make $20 per product. I'm gonna have to come off this live because I'm slow. $20. 300, not 3,000. Somebody help me now. If I $20 I make per product and each one buy one something. Right? Say one buy the NutriBurst. How much money are that? $600. $600? It can't be $600. It should be more than $600. Blood cleanse, 80. Oh, stoke you. Oh, you say 80 grand. Me 80. 6,000. Marshy, is it 6,000? It's 6,000. It's 6,000, yeah? 6,000. Hold on. Gemini underscore Queen underscore Wally says, talk about having to buy a product every 28 days and are not selling worse when you have no social media friends. All right, then. In the world, we say seeing is believing. I worship a God I never yet see. Main thing we get as Christians. Fine, whatever. Seeing is believing. We want to see something. See me? You want to see. You want to see it work. God damn it. If you've been following me, I will ask a question. Come here. What's your name? Gemini. If you've been not following me, Gemini, I don't say work. We say work. The people them we are selling to know say work because I are selling. Are you still not Gemini? Are you still Big Swata and Waga and Lolo? Are you still that? Are you still that? $8,000. I can make $8,000 tonight on this live if each of you buy one rotted product from me. One. $60. That's it. $60? 60 blood cleanse dollar? I'm going to tell you this right now. People have met that in an hour in a TLC. Y'all don't even know. Bruh, I'm telling you, the minute I'm sorted and I'm back to making my money, blood cleanse the amount of things, and I can't say what I have planned. The heart of man is desperately wicked. Them just want ear so them can do. Me stop blood cleanse talk when they see they say, oh, you're gonna be gasping, honey. Gasp, I forgot gasp. Come on, tell you, I come up strong, baby. I come out heavy. Big up Jada Kingdom, my artist, but you don't know. Jada Kingdom. Why you won't notice me? That's not the point. If you're still big and fat and wallow, there's no way I'm buying from you, my nigga. Straight up. I enough at the end of the gym. Hiya. I said, who are the deadlifts like me? Hey, when I lift weights, I make nice, huh? Yeah! Dropping middle finger. Come and lift it up. You can't tell me that. Enough man can't lift up in me blood cleanser because it's a strong girl. I'm gonna feel good, you see? Girl! Not press me more than when I can deadlift. I want to say, no, you're strong. I say, yes, nigga, I am. Plus my lower body is where my...
Yeah, man, see it there at the end of our next video. You see me someone to big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell. It's your girl Sandy. I'm out.